Nari frame muri swali ya umeme. Kugole. Machine dero chuna kuri frame.
Singenjeri kaso. Waka wega moda kana we.
Yunia Nyanduko. Niliwania kiti ya MCA Ngeteko Ward. Leo tuko hapa kama UPA participants na members wa UPA wote wale ambao tuligombea viti. Tunataka kusema hivi kwa dunia nzima na Kenya mzima. Tunataka kuweka mwenzetu Matiang'i ni mmoja wetu, ni kijana ambaye wakati alipewa kazi na Mheshimiwa Uhuru Kenyatta alifanya kazi kwa kujikakamua sana. And that's why we are saying we are not proposing him because he is a Kisii, but we are proposing him because he can work, he is our colleague, he can deliver. And that's why we are saying Matiang'i for UPA. Yani ngote baiga Mheshimiwa Matiang'i nere twatene niribu n'abagusi tada senge ncharo magusi lakini asenge ncha kolete gasi yaye buno musacha agakore gasi education ebintu bikaba buya agacha sector ya security bangino obuyibo kairapi lakini boniga ebinyoro abangi nambali korara ego bakwibirukere gento. So what am I saying? Matiang'i for presidency, Matiang'i for Kenya. Thank you very much. Nyanduko here.
Naitwa Hezbon Mangera Onsomu, mwakilishi wa vijana katika chama ya UPA. Sisi kusema kitu nataka kusema, mgombea wetu kiti cha rais ni Fred Okengo Matiang'i. Na hatuna mwingine na tumesimama kidete tunasema 2027 kama mbaya. Yeye ndio president wetu na hakuna kitu itatusimamisha na hakuna kitu itakuwa unless Mungu arudi kama hajakuwa president. Amen. Ni hayo tu peke yake. Yes. Asante sana.
Thank you.
Asante.
Name I'm Walter Anuda Uchwangi. I'm the UPA party Kisii County coordinator. We are here as a party and we are here to speak to the nation that UPA is a national party. It's not a local party. And as a national party, we have Dr. Fred Matiang'i as our presidential candidate. So we call out to the nation to support Dr. Fred Matiang'i because of his track record. Now that he has served offices and we have seen service delivery that he has done to the common mwananchi. So as UPA party, we are just bringing Fred Matiang'i forward to the nation, and in case of anything, any coalition, any agreement that will be agreed upon as the nation will demand, we are there to work with any like-minded party in Kenya, as much as at the end of the day, we have Dr. Fred Matiang'i as the presidency of Kenya. So purpose because you understand that we have a set of parties in Kenya, around more than 72, and I know all the 72 parties, not all of them that will fight up a candidate, but we call upon all other parties that are interested to work hand in hand with the UPA party so that we ensure at the end of the day we deliver the presidency of Dr. Fred Matiang'i. So as a UPA party, Fred Matiang'i is our candidate until the last day of election. So thank you so much.
As I said, my name is Emmanuel Mwangi from UPA party, and we want to talk to our people, the people across our brother party, Jubilee. We are addressing Jubilee party and the leader Jeremiah Kioni. Mr. Jeremiah Kioni, we want to plead with you as our brother that Fred Okengo Matiang'i is our candidate, is our guy from Kisii land, and is our member of UPA political party, is our next candidate for the presidential seat of this Republic of Kenya. Fred holds a big record. He has worked for this nation. He has a record, and we want just to tell you
and we've sent this clear message that watch out, watch the space. He is our presidential candidate. We've spoken to him and it's a done deal. Fred is our next presidential candidate. Thank you very much.
So my name is Jacob Barongo Bagaka, the Secretary General for UPA Party. Today we have met here as the party organ in Kisii County to drum up support for His Excellency Fred Okengo Matiang'i, the next president come 2027. I have seen many parties, especially Jubilee, my colleague Kioni, owning the candidature of Dr. Fred Matiang'i. And I want to say, like we have said, the candidature of Fred Matiang'i is through UPA. We have seen in the past wanasiasa wengi wakifanya siasa, kila chama, huyu mchana wetu ambao tuko naye anaitwa Matiang'i, who is a candidate, amekuwa mtu wa mfuto sana, na inaonekana kwamba parties mingi kusidi 30 wanataka kukaa naye kama candidate wao. But we want to inform the nation and clarify that Dr. Fred Okengo Matiang'i will go to the ballot using the UPA party. Other parties will come and work with Fred Matiang'i under coalition, but the candidate of Matiang'i will be under UPA. Nyinyi wote mnajua ya kwamba hakuna party hapa nchini Kenya ambaye imeongoza mara mbili. Parties zote Jubilee iliongoza. Sasa itatusaidia sisi kufanya kazi na wao kwa ajili ya kumleta huyu Fred Matiang'i kama candidate wetu, lakini hata simama kwa chama ya Jubilee. And I want to make it very clear, he will be a candidate for UPA, working together with so many other parties including Jubilee. So we want to make it very clear that the candidature of Fred Okengo Matiang'i, who is inspiring so many people and young voices in Kenya, especially the Gen Zs across the country, we want to give them comfort that the candidature of Matiang'i will be under the UPA party, but working together with several other parties that think that Matiang'i is a fit for purpose when it comes to 2022. The country is facing a lot of corruption. You have seen rampant corruption, abduction of our young people, and people who are not listening. People who are now thinking about how they can be able to enrich themselves. And we are saying Fred Matiang'i is the only leader currently who can be able to change the country and be able to stand firm and ensure that things like housing levy, which until today, we had the Minister for Lands talking about that you are contributing and you do not have a right to own that house. And we are saying Executive Order number 1 for Fred Okengo Matiang'i when he becomes president is to scrap the housing levy. Number 2 is to take away these things we are calling SHA, because that's a scam as it is until today. As we speak today, people are going to hospitals and suffering under this regime of Mheshimiwa Ruto. And we are telling the people of UDA to pack and be ready to leave power, because Honorable Fred Okengo Matiang'i ndiye rais mwaka 27. Kama hujazoea uanze kuzoea mapema. Asante.
Marita Nengruko Mheshimiwa Omochore Damaris Nyanchoka, igonde National Vice Chair we chama ya UPA. Rero nigo tumera nagaiga asobisi cya Busungu amo n'abayishimiwa bari bandi bonsipi bari baboreti chikura aso mwaka uriye myaka ya mwaka wa 2022 na ende yuwe korokia abagusi bonsi na bado echame yene koreteki nerororo kiagera baboreti chikurenga kiri abandi bakaba mostri number 2 mba nyora kirugo lakini bado no bate neine mbaranganya kurwase echame ya UPA bari mwerenge 2022 ekeroba chauri bwarenge echame yari kurukwa yarenge yo Mheshimiwa Matiang'i igotina rora kende kene nemono gya chenchiri bade saiga ne koreteki nero ekere saiga rororo n'abantu bagosoa saiga bono nduru chikorosi nyombe ende ngao yaya esaiga ne koreteki nero na ende saiga kerero rororo mate saiga no abantu bakogenda abantu batoka kurusaiga taribo bono abantu tikabache saiga toichore ekine kyo katake koreteki kerororo lakini ende gento kende twari goteba iga epati ye igo muntu takuira chikurere bieka igekera ba minto abagusi ba minto kurubugirango mate mbaka bugirango bwa ruguru burabu ya mate mbaka burabu ruguru ekero muro cha abantu bakunya goteba Matiang'i ekene pina Matiang'i gwikate nene saiga yabo tego chikoba moroche buno musike former deputy president Gashawa igachiete UDA tabwatiki egari yaye igo bono na morama ngana agendere toro tigatote nena kote abantu ba minto na ki UPA abagusiba minto around ye na rie chenchiere onde bwensi asore temoso esa igengia eyora bwenere nesa igayoka nerei UPA